Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So ang topic po natin ngayon is Jesus the Everlasting Father. So Jesus as the Everlasting Father highlights his eternal care, provision, and protection for his people. He is not only the Son but also demonstrates the qualities of compassionate and loving Father who preserves, guides, and sustains life. His eternal nature ensures that his promises are steadfast and unchanging. Believers can rest in guidance, knowing that his fatherly care is perfect and faithful for all generations. So, ayon po sa ating Isaiah chapter 9, verse 6 to 7, sinasabi po ito na, "For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulder, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. Of the greatness of his government and peace there will be no end. He will be reign on David's throne and over his kingdom, establishing and upholding it his justice and righteousness from that on and forever. The zeal of the Lord Almighty will accomplish." So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, Jesus is not God the Father. So, si Jesus ay hindi ang Diyos Ama, magkaibang persona. Si Jesus ang anak na isinugo ng Ama. May relasyon sila bilang ama at anak. Kaya makikita natin sa Biblia na si Jesus ay nananalangin sa Ama. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila ay isang persona, pero isa ang layunin at kalooban. And Jesus is Eternal Father King. Kahit si Jesus ang Diyos Ama, tinawag siya sa kasulatan bilang Eternal Father dahil siya ang pinagmula ng buhay at pag-aaruga ng kanyang mga tao. Siya ang hari magpakailanman, isang hari na namumuno hindi sa pamamagitan ng takot kundi sa pag-ibig at sakripisyo. And Jesus cares as good Father. Si Jesus ay may puso ng isang mabuting ama. Kilala niya tayo, inintindi niya ang ating mga sakit, takot at pangangailangan. Hindi malayo o walang pakialam siya ay laging nagbabantay, gumagabay at nagmamahal sa kanyang mga anak. And sa applications naman po, know that Jesus cares more than you do. Alalahanin mo na mas mahal ka ni Jesus kaysa sa kaya mong mahalin ng sarili mo. Kahit akala mo mag-isa ka, mas nauna siyang mag-alala at kumilos para ikabubuti mo. And knock and let Jesus open or shut doors. And keep trusting fatherly Jesus rule. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.